I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start now by fitting the leash. Clip it to a comfortable collar or front clip harness so the dog can move but not twist free. You want a 4-6 FT length for control and room to reward. Once clipped, reward calm attention with small treats and a cue like close. You do this to build a positive link between leash pressure and earning a treat. Make sure to stand relaxed, allow slack, and mark the first correct steps immediately so the dog learns the connection. You now focus on loose leash walking. Start by rewarding the moment the leash becomes slack. You want the dog to link relaxed pace with treats. If the leash tightens, stop and wait for slack before moving, because responding teaches timing and self-control. Once done with short, successful repeats, lengthen sessions and introduce mild distractions, another person or toy, so the dog generalizes behavior. Make sure to vary direction and pace. This keeps the dog attentive. You finish by transitioning to realistic walks. Slowly reduce treat frequency and swap for verbal praise or occasional treats so the skill persists without constant food. Practice in harder environments, but if pulling returns, go back a step, reduce distractions, and rebuild slack behavior. Make sure to keep cues consistent and never yank. Gentle guidance and stopping teach better than force. One tip: if the dog repeatedly lunges, shorten sessions and increase reward density until they reliably walk with slack again before expanding challenges.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.